How would you make a logo that represents the brand that is a singular month? This month being November. Keep watching to find out how I do it. What is November? Before you design a logo, you need to know what it is you're designing a logo for. You have to know the brand. Research. Research is key. November is the 11th month. November is home to the Scorpios, and Sagittarius gets in there at the end. Thanksgiving, obviously. And with Thanksgiving comes the turkey, football, and also in November you have Movember, which is when men grow mustaches during the month to raise awareness for men's health issues. Movember is when you take the mustache and you put it with the November. You create what is called a portmanteau. Am I saying that right? So yes, these are the things that you think about when you think of November. So you want to, well, what I'm trying to do is take some of those, or maybe all of those, I don't know how busy I'm gonna make this logo, and make a symbol that can represent the month. So there are many different directions I can go. The more visuals that you have in your head, the more words that you can turn into visuals, the more you can explore when you're designing a logo. So with all of that said, it's sketch time. Now with these sketches, sketch time is all about just exploring. Let yourself play completely when you're sketching. Try not to edit yourself too much. Just really get everything you're possibly thinking down on the paper. With this, I actually gave myself a little time limit just so I wouldn't get too lost in the sketch process. So with these sketches, the first idea that I came up with was taking the NOV, which is the common abbreviation for November, and doing with the N, kind of having a curly mustache there, kind of subtly referencing the Movember of it all. There was another idea to maybe take the Scorpio sign and the Sagittarius sign and kind of fuse them somewhat while still maintaining the curvy N shape to represent the month. I drew a little turkey there with on a plate, just for Thanksgiving, to represent Thanksgiving. Played around with the football shape. I even played around with hiding 2 ones representing 11, which is the 11th month, on a calendar type icon type design, and then also doing some more abstract things. So that's what November is. That's some of the sketches that I'm going to be using as inspiration in this design process. But before we crack open Illustrator, let me know in the comment section down below, what does November mean to you? And be sure to like, share, and subscribe. As you can see, the final logo doesn't look exactly like one of my sketches, but I've taken ideas from my sketches and come up with the final logo. I'm really happy with how it turned out, getting the 11 in there and then using color to add some dimension to it. So the 11 kind of looks like a folded piece of paper. I have the football down there. So the football is going below the calendar page in a similar amount that the 11 is hovering off of the calendar page. So I really like that for symmetry. And the football can also look like, a turkey, so I've used kind of the color to add some dimension there. And then getting the mustache in there, I was really happy to be able to do that. and kind of have that weave into the overall calendar motif that I'm working with there. So overall, I am really happy with how this turned out. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know in the comment section down below, what do you think of the logo? You think I should have gone in a different direction? Just let me know in the comment section down below. And before you go, make sure you click on one of these videos. This video takes you through my process of designing a brand for a pretty well-known wrestler. I mean, he's well-known in like my PlayStation 4, but click on that video or check out this logo I did for the Kappa Kappa Psi Tau Beta Sigma National Convention that'll be happening next year. Remember, as you go along in life, teach as you learn and inspire as you do. See you next time.